Hello everyone. In this video, I tell you the tips to get glowing skin. The flawless, blemished and acne-free skin that you have always desired is no more a dream, but a reality. Here are some brilliant beauty tips for face to get that glow you have always wanted. Get started with these tips. Drinking plenty of water. Number 1. Drinking plenty of water. It is very important that you drink 10 to 12 glasses of water daily as it helps to flush the toxins out of your system. The skin needs to receive enough water to be hydrated, soft, and supple. Without enough water, it becomes dull, dry, and might even start to tear. Number 2, moisturize your skin regularly. The skin on your face, ears, and neck are very sensitive to sun rays and other environmental hazards. These areas shed cells more often and rapidly than other parts of the body. Therefore, it needs more moisture to repair itself. This allows the new skin cells to rise to the surface. Number 3, wear sunscreen daily. Always use a good sunscreen with SPF, sun protection factor, whenever you step doors. Use sunscreen not only in summer but also in winter. A good sunscreen protects your skin from the harmful rays. Number 4, avoid smoking. If glowing skin is what you desire, keep your addiction away. Smoking, tobacco, drugs, and drinking alcohol can lead to serious health as well as skin problems. They are responsible for premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. Number 5, exfoliate. This should happen right after the cleansing step. Use a mild scrubbing product for your face depending on your skin type. Use mild exfoliate if you have pimple prone skin as scrubbing on a rash or a sensitive area can cause more breakouts. Exfoliate at least twice a week. Do not forget to follow it up with toning and moisturizing. A good scrub will remove the top layer of dead skin cells, encouraging the production of new healthy cells. It also improves blood circulation and lightens the skin, making it soft, smooth, and youthful. Number 6, cleanse regularly. A proper cleansing routine helps to get rid of the dirt that gets settled on your skin during the day. Always use a cleanser face wash suitable for your skin type instead of soap. The soap contains harsh chemicals like sodium carbonate, which makes your skin dry by stripping off the moisture. Number 7, makeup removal. Do not forget to remove any traces of makeup from your face before going to bed. Sleeping with makeup on will clog your pores, leading to pimples and breakouts. It will also make your skin look dull and lifeless. You should use an alcohol free cleanser for makeup removal. Rose water can also be used as is a natural toner. Number 8, pay attention to certain special areas. After the age of 30, it is necessary that you pay attention to certain special areas like the neck, eyes, and hands, which show early signs of aging. The skin around the neck and hands become loose gradually, and we can observe dark circles and puffins under the eyes. These are the initial signs of skin aging. Number 9, throw away the expired skin products. Do not use cosmetic products, creams, tools, and other products that are very old. Always check the expiry date before buying and using the product. Try not to share your personal cosmetics with others as it contaminates it and make it unsafe for personal use. Number 10, ban the chemicals. Be a little skin conscious. Do not get lured by the fancy advertisements you see. The next time you purchase a sunscreen or lotion or any other skincare product, try reading the list of active ingredients. Select the ones containing natural oils like olive oil, tea tree oil. Stay away from the ones that contains chemical like sulfate, parabens and like etc. Number 11. Get enough sleep. While we sleep, our body repairs the damaged cells and replenish the old ones. Hence, our body requires at least 8 hours of sleep daily. This will give healthy and glowing skin, refresh your mind as well. Number 12. Switch with seasons. It is good idea to modify your skincare routines with the changing in season, namely during summer or spring. Switch to oil control face packs and washes and light toner during summers. For monsoon, opt for antibacterial and deep cleansing face washes. During winter, switch to hydrating foot care lotions and moisturizing skincare products. Use deep nourishing toner and lip balms to help keep your skin nourished and smooth. In the end, you are dressed to perfection, yet you need something to complete the look. Your smile while we spend so much time and energy on honing our bodies and looks, we forget to express our inner joy and happiness. Keeping a smile on your face will help maintain the tone of your facial muscles and skin. Keeping a smile, people may say you look 10 years younger than you are.